administrate.
Do you know Mr. Idris?
I am the executor, and I'm here before the court.
Has he died? Has Mr. Idris died?
I came
I'm
on behalf of the surety of all the bonds.
Do you know Mr. Idris?
I am before the court as a special restricted visitation and not general visitation.
Have you ever been known as Muhammad Ismail Idris?
Like I said, I'm the executor of the estate, and I'm here on behalf of the surety of all the bonds. And I
How do you
appoint
know
you as
Mr.
the
Idris
trustee.
then? Tell me how you know Mr. Idris. Okay, good. All right. So I think all we have to do here is get you some court date. You've already posted bond, and we'll mail that out to you.
Did you? I just emailed the clerk of the court. I just emailed them the executor letter. I just want to know if they forwarded or not yet.
Okay. Well, it's in the court file, and I'm just setting you some trial dates, a confirmation date and jury trial dates to protect those rights.
Can I address the court?
Well, that's all we got to do. You posted bond, and I've got other cases that I've got to hear in custody, and I wanted to save you from having to sit there for another couple hours. So I'm going to mail those to that Tuckwell appeal box, and then you can take it from there as you've been representing yourself all along. And if you want to continue to do that, that's fine.
I object to that. And you keep saying Mr. Idris, and I'm not Mr. Idris.
Who are you?
I'm the executor of the estate you're trying to administrate.
Do you know Mr. Idris?
I am the executor, and I'm here before the court.
Has he died? Has Mr. Idris died?
I came on behalf of the surety of all the bonds.
Do you know Mr. Idris?
I am before the court as a special restricted visitation and not general visitation.
Have you ever been known as Muhammad Ismail Idris?
Like I said, I am the executor of the estate, and I'm here on behalf of the surety of all the bonds. And I appoint
you as the trustee. How do you know Mr. Idris then? Tell me how you know Mr. Idris. How do you know him? How did he tell you to be his executor? How did you become the executor? How do you know him?
I have occupied the office of the executor. Everything is on the letter. I can read it to you.
So he told you you could be his executor? Did a court appoint you executor? Were you formally Mr. Idris? What? I'm just trying to understand.
I know who I am. I am the executor of the estate.
And he's not dead? Is he the executor of the estate, or has he been found not competent?
I am the executor of the estate. I am alive and breathing.
Okay.
And I'm competent. I'm competent, and I'm not a minor, and I am not the ward of the state, but I am part of the age of majority.
So Mr. Holcomb, is the state going forward with the charges?
So my question to the prosecutor,
I'll let you ask your own questions without me involved, but Mr. Holcomb, is the state going forward with the charges?
Yes, and I would request a warrant if Idris is not present.
Well, I think we've determined that, in fact, this is the person, but he would like to be addressed as the executor of the Muhammad Ismail Idris. And so that's all we're doing. We're going to mail you notice of those court trial dates set. I realize that.
I object.
You'll make decisions. I don't know what you're objecting to. I'm protecting all your rights. And you can talk to the prosecutor about settling this or not, or just go to trial on this. There you are. So I've got other cases I've got to do. You can put that to writing, and we'll hear what we can do about that. But right now, I just wanted to protect your trial rights, and I'm going to move on to other cases. So we're done, Executor Muhammad Ismail Idris. So, and Ms. Wally, Mr. Taylor.
Mr. Westmoreland, are you ready to proceed with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. So we will go on the record in the matter of the city of Wyandotte versus Deborah Relitas, 221382. And appearance, counsel?
Attorney Corey Westmoreland on behalf of Deborah Relitas.
Thank you. Ma'am, your name, please. Ma'am, your name, please.
Won't you state your name?
I didn't hear you.
Could you state your name?
Deborah Diane Browdy.
Okay. All right. And counsel, any objection to proceeding on Zoom?
Not at this time, Your Honor. We consent.
All right. And so today's the date scheduled for sentencing in this matter, and where your client pled no contest to disorderly conduct. And Counsel, do you have an opportunity to review the recommendation with your client?
I did.
All right. And the court, after review of the recommendation and even recalling Ms. Relitas at the last court date, the court does find the recommendation is appropriate. And quite frankly, the behavior is that's alleged that Ms. Relitas pled not guilty or no contest to is absolutely reprehensible. Absolutely reprehensible. Whether you had to go to the bathroom or not, ma'am, there were many businesses you could have gone into and many porta-johns you could have gone into. And to defecate on a public bench is absolutely reprehensible. The court is going to indicate that it's going to adopt the recommendation. The court's going to indicate 90 days jail. You do get credit for the time you've been in custody, which is 13 days credit. And the court will indicate you are to be tethered to a treatment facility, mental health treatment facility. The court's going to weigh fines and costs. Anything else?
Not this time, Judge.
Anything else, ma'am? I can't, it didn't come through, ma'am. What'd you say? Ms. Relitas, anything else? Ms. Relitas, anything else?
I can't even hear you.
Okay, well, so did you hear what the court indicated was your sentence? The court indicated that you're going to be sentenced to 90 days jail, credit for 13 days, you're to be tethered to a mental health treatment facility.
I spit on you.
Well, ma'am, right now that's not going to happen, nor are you going to do that to anybody over there at the facility, nor at the Wayne County Jail. You have some serious mental health issues, ma'am, and if you didn't hear me, I indicated that your conduct of defecating on a public bench was reprehensible. So, that is the ruling of this court. The court's going to suspend fines and costs. Okay, ma'am, have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Thank you, Wayne County Jail.
This box is muted, so I'm not hearing anything. They can unmute themselves if they've got some business with this court.
Hi, Judge. I am Counselor Flores, and I am resident McLaughlin's counselor, and they have him here right now.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Yep.
Jesse Travis McLaughlin.
Yeah.
This is State of Kansas versus Jesse Travis McLaughlin. It's case number 2024 CR 397. Mr. McLaughlin appears from a Hutchinson Correctional Facility Zoom location. Brett Sweeney appears for the state of Kansas. Mr. McLaughlin, I have before me a charge of battery against a law enforcement officer, a level 5 person felony. Since a felony is involved, you will not be asked to plead at this time. Rather, a preliminary hearing scheduling will be made before your assigned judge, which is the Honorable Jan Satterfield. Judge Satterfield's next docket for that purpose would be April 7, 2025, 2:30 p.m. You must fully participate by Zoom in Judge Satterfield's docket at that time, April 7, 2:30 p.m. I trust, Mr. McLaughlin, that you, being in prison, don't have the financial resources to hire your own lawyer.
That's all right. I can represent myself.
Okay, well, you can take that request up with Judge Satterfield. At this point,
Every
in
man
the
must
limits of
speak for
caution,
himself, Your
I will
Honor.
appoint a lawyer, and then you can, before Judge Satterfield, properly conduct a proceeding if you really do want to
Point of
represent.
order. What gives you jurisdiction to appoint a lawyer over me?
I have statutory authority to do so. So, Mr.
So
Well,
what
I'm
gives
going to
you
appoint a lawyer at this
what
point.
gives you jurisdiction over me? You must establish jurisprudence as a point of order.
I'm not going to play your sovereign citizen gibberish game.
I'm not a sovereign citizen, sir. I'm
All
not a
right.
sovereign citizen.
You sound like one.
Well, I'm not.
All right. I assure you I have jurisdiction. So we've got a court date set before Judge Satterfield. I'm going to appoint James Watts at this point to represent Mr. McLaughlin, noting he's made a request to represent himself. Again, that's to be a matter taken up fully before the assigned judge, Satterfield, at the hearing date on April 7 at 2:30 or some later time. And the court will set a $5,000 cash or professional surety bond, though obviously it's not going to affect his current incarcerated status. All right. Bond set, attorney appointed, court date established on Judge Satterfield's calendar. Anything else we need to address at this time, Mr. Sweeney?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. McLaughlin? Apparently not.
Yeah, you need to address the point of order. As a
I've
first
addressed
point
all of
order
the
in
points
court
of order
the
that I'm
first
inclined
thing
to address
you must
today.
do is establish
Mr.
your
McLaughlin.
jurisdiction.
The McLaughlin matter is currently in recess, and we'll move on to another matter on the docket.
I object to moving on in any manner.
Objection noted and overruled, Mr. McLaughlin. All right, let's move
Request
on.
a copy of-
Then.
I
Thank
request
you
a
to the
copy of the
Hutchinson
minutes,
Correctional Facility.
transcripts, these proceedings.
We can go ahead and take him off the meeting at this time. All right, Virgil Fry.